Bling.
Hello?
Wait, what type of seats does it have? Is there
bench.
any center type of console?
No, there's no center
Did
console.
he put it in the fuse panel?
He might have.
Oh, that fuse panel.
Whoa, wait. Ooh, that's a wasp nest. No,
I got it.
nothing.
No. Wait, Mason, does this work?
I don't think it crank anymore.
Punch it. No, it work. It would work if you just push. Keep on pushing.
Hey, Mason.
Why does the crank not work?
Try it.
Steel phone. Look. It goes down a little bit and then just.
Wait, could key be in here?
I already checked. It's not.
There's a bee's nest. There's a bee's
And
nest.
yes, there is. Yes.
Now please tell me it goes back up.
Why is it just this part? Try now.
Wait, do you guys
It fully disconnected.
Did it actually?
Yeah, it just stopped.
It is so dirty. Oh my lord, this needs a bath.